This is an entry-level keyboard. This is the Zoom65. It's the second batch one, and I have to mention this because the first two batches of Zoom65 comes with the JWK switches and Olivia keycaps. The Zoom65 is considered an entry-level keyboard because it only costs around $160, but it's a full aluminium case with a dope golden plate. Aside from the golden plate, another cool thing about this board is the knob. The switches they included are decent switches too from JWK. I've not built many boards, but I'm pretty sure this Zoom65 is one of my favorite sounding board at the moment. However, this is what I think before trying out the Ikki68 and QK65. Haven't built them yet, but when I do, I'll do a comparison between these three boards. A quick summary: super value for money keyboard, super good sounding, good build quality, looks good with that weight and knob. Overall, it's a board I would definitely recommend you to get if they have another rerun.